So we're going to start off with carbohydrates because people have this misconception that carbohydrates are the devil. We shouldn't eat them and we should bin them and burn them. But in fact, the actual fact is this. Carbohydrates are actually used as fuel and energy. They can be found in fruits, vegetables, starches such as like grains, potatoes, beans as healthy examples. Why do they actually get a bad reputation? First of all, carbohydrates are not created all equal. So just because you see carbohydrates on this packet of food and then this one does not mean that they're equal. We first need to understand that there are actually different types of carbohydrates. So we've got simple and complex carbohydrates. What is a simple carbohydrate? So they are made up of 1 or 2 sugar molecules, and they are literally the quickest source of energy, and they are the easiest for the body to digest. So examples of this, which we'll all be very familiar with, is sugar, honey, syrup, sweets, fruit. Literally, you can get a quick source of carbs in within a bite. And that's why kids get stupidly hyperactive, because they're like, oh my God, so much energy. That's because when they've had the Coca-Cola and sweets, they're getting that hit. And with a kid being so small and having such a large amount of energy, it needs to go. So that's why they expend it by running around. But this is not to say, and obviously, by the way, if you were listening carefully, fruit was in that situation. This is not to say that fruit is bad. And that also with most simple carbohydrates, we don't want to actually make that the bulk of our diets because there's just too much sugar in it. Anyway, next we've got complex carbohydrates. So these are made of a string of molecules and they take a bit longer to digest. As you get these in like your whole grains, oats, starchy vegetables such as potatoes. So let's say for instance, in the morning you're going to go to work and then you have your oats, and then in the next couple of hours you're pretty full because that complex carbohydrate is being broken down very slowly, very slow, for you to like get a sustainable source of energy throughout your day. So with that being said, so for instance for me, if I have a quick source of carbohydrates just before I have 4 clients and then I'm going to train legs straight after, so let's say that's 5 hours of me just having one short intense source of carbs, I'm not going to be fueled up correctly. So therefore straight away it gets me thinking, what do I need to have to make me to be fueled up properly so that I can enjoy and do what I need to do with sustainable energy. So what you need to take away from this is that we actually do need both types of carbohydrates, but we want to be choosing the ones with the most food for fuel. So that basically means we want to have X amount so that you can get X amount of fuel out of it, so you fueled up for your day.